Hello everyone, so right now we're going to be showing you guys how we constructed our safety power bar in Desmos Maths. But first of all, let me introduce to you the team. Alright, now let's start. So our team has decided to construct the Desmos design with two perspectives. Alright, so while constructing the first perspective, we included some various functions, including linear functions, trigonometry functions, polynomial and rational functions, quadratic functions, and also circles. Alright, so moving on to the second perspective of the safety power bar, we also have included the same functions, including the linear functions, trigonometry functions, polynomial and rational functions, quadratic functions, and also circles.